It's come to the end of week 3 of my rapid fat loss program, and I'm going to take you through the last week's results and show you how the progress has been since we started 3 weeks ago. This is how my weight is trending. So overall, it's been about the 73s mid-ish for the whole week. There was a day here where it's 73.1. I did actually have a lower weigh-in later in the day. It got down to 72.9. So technically, yes, we hit the 72 kilos, but I only take what the morning weigh-in says. So we'll keep it as a 73.1. Average weigh-in, I lost 0.2%. So if it's basically 0.3%, we don't need to adjust calories at all. And that's mostly because measurements are going down. So the upper waist was staying the same this week, but we did hit a brand new low of 85.5 on the low waist. As long as we're dropping either or on a week-to-week basis, keep doing exactly what you're doing. We don't change anything at all. For me to get back to abs lean, I basically need to drop another 5.5 centimeters on my lower waist. Yes, as I get lower and lower, I will start to increase my calories, but on average, calories are still around 1100 to 1300 per day. I'll probably get as high as about 1600 as I get much closer to the 80 centimeter mark. Full training 4 days per week, upper lower body, hitting very close to 120 grams of protein per day, maybe a little bit more. If you find this helpful, interesting, I have still got another 3 to 6 weeks left of this rapid fat loss phase. Make sure you like and subscribe for more and watch the entire playlist depending on which platform you're watching this on. Let's get into week 4.